Hello everyone, thank you for watching Travelin' with Jay. This is me Janita and I'm back with another update on the IPO. As I have already informed you through a lot of my short videos and through a lot of videos that the second half of 2021 is going to be an IPO year. So we are going to have a lot of IPOs upcoming in this particular second half of 2021, and the week, that is next week from 4th August, we have 4 IPOs that will be opening for subscription on the same date and closing for subscription on the same date. So in today's video we are going to talk about 2 IPOs. I will be sharing the details about both the IPOs, and for the rest of the 2 IPOs I will be uploading another video on Monday. So if you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notification for my future videos. And please, if you like this video, do share it with your friends and family so that it reach maximum. First company that we are going to discuss about is Windlass Biotech Limited IPO. Windlass Biotech Limited was incorporated in 2001 and is one of the leading companies in pharmaceutical formulations, contract development and manufacturing organizations, that is CDMO segment in India. So basically it's one of the pharma company. Their business operates in 3 verticals. First is CDMO products and services, second is domestic trade generics and over the market, that is OTC market for nutraceutical and other health nutrition supplement. Third vertical is export. Currently the focus of the company is to launch complex generic products in the chronic therapeutic category related to lifestyle related disorders. Some of the customers of Windlass Biotech Limited are Sanofi Limited, Pfizer Limited, Intas Pharmaceuticals, Cadila Healthcare, etc. They have their manufacturing facilities located at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Now let us see the objectives behind the IPO issue. To purchase equipment required for capacity expansion for their existing facility at Dehradun Plant 4, to finance incremental working capital requirement, repayment or prepayment of company's borrowings, and to meet general corporate purposes. Now let me show you the financial track record of the company for the last 3 years.
So this is the financial summary of Windlass Biotech Limited. As of 31st March 2018, profit after tax was at 111.98 million, whereas as of 31st March 2019, the profit after tax has increased to 638.22 million. As of 31st March 2020, the profit after tax has decreased again to 162.13. And for the next 6 months, that is as of 31st December 2020, they generated a profit after tax of 96.74 million. And if you see the total revenue, they have been consistent around 3000 million every year.
Now let's look at the strengths of the company. Windlass Biotech Limited is a leading market player in pharmaceutical formulation CDMO segment, strong focus on chronic therapeutic category, state-of-art manufacturing facility in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, innovative product portfolio and sturdy financial performance track record. Now let's see the IPO details of Windlass Biotech Limited IPO. It will be open for subscription on 4th August 2021 and it will be closed on 6th August 2021. It will be listed on both BSE and NSE. Price band of this particular share is Rs 448 to Rs 460 per equity share. Market lot size is of 30 shares. Issue size of this particular IPO is 401.54 crore, out of which fresh issue is of 165 crore and offer for sale is 236.54 crore. It will be allotted on 11th August 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 17th August 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 13,800 rupees and maximum you can have 14 lots. Second IPO that we are going to discuss in this particular video is Exaro Tiles Limited IPO. Exaro Tiles was incorporated in 2008 and many of you might have heard about this particular company. Exaro Tiles are into manufacturing and marketing activities of vitrified tiles. The company manufactures double layer pigment, that is double charge vitrified tiles, and also glazed vitrified tiles. Their product portfolio consists of 1000+ different designs of tiles in 6 sizes. They supply their product to large infrastructure projects, that is residential, commercial, hotels, hospitals, builders and developers, religious institutions, etc. They export their products to different countries across the globe, that is Poland, Bosnia, USA and others. Exaro Tiles have the manufacturing facilities in Padra and Talod in Gujarat, 6 display centers in 6 cities and 2 marketing offices in Delhi and Morbi. Let us see the objectives behind the IPO. To make repayment or prepayment for the borrowings of the company, to meet capital requirements of the company and for other general corporate purposes. Now let me show you the financial track record of Exaro Tiles Limited for the last 3 years.
This is the financial track record of Exaro Tiles Limited. So as of 31st March 2019, profit after tax was at 89.17 million, which has then increased to 112.59 million as of 31st March 2020. As of 31st March 2021, the profit after tax was at 152.23. So the statement shows a good improvement year on year for Exaro Tiles Limited.
Variety of different designs of tiles in different sizes. Then they have strong dealer network with 2000 plus registered dealers. Then they have pan-India presence in 27 countries in India, international presence with exports in 13 plus countries across the globe, and they are leading manufacturers of glazed vitrified tiles. Now we are at the last segment of the video, that is IPO details of Exaro Tiles Limited IPO. It will be open for subscription on the same date, that is 4th August 2021, and the closing date is 6th August 2021. It will be listed on both BSE and NSE. IPO price band is of Rs 118 to Rs 120 per equity share. Market lot size is of 125 shares. Issue size of this particular IPO is 161.09 crore, out of which fresh issue is for 134.23 crore and offer for sale is 26.86 crore. Allotment date is 11th August 2021 and it will be listed on stock exchange on 17th August 2021. To buy one lot, you will require 15,000 rupees and maximum you can have 13 lots. So guys, that was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, as I will be posting another video for rest of the 2 IPOs on Monday. Till then, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep sharing as much as possible. I will see you soon. Stay safe. Take care.